Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a project to your account in the Todoist mobile application. For example, if you'd like to plan a project and add tasks to that project, so let us begin. Launch the Todoist app, log into it and tap into Browse here in the bottom right corner of your home feed, and next swipe down to get to My Projects. So guys, as you can see, I've already created one project getting started. So you can create a new one by tapping into this plus button next to My Projects or navigate to Manage Projects here, like that. And from here, simply tap into that plus button in the top right corner. So let us create one by tapping into Add Project. Of course, you can also use one of the customizable templates from the Todoist library. So let me go with a completely blank one and name it here like My Project. There you go. Not My Project C, but My Project. You may assign a color, customize your projects. Let me go with a lime green. You may assign also a parent project if you like, if we have created one. So let me select this one here, Getting Started. You can make it a favorite here. And you may also select a layout, like list, board, or calendar. And once it's done, guys, tap into the checkmark button in the top right corner. And that is it. That's going to create your project. Now you can, for example, invite your friends and contacts to that project by tapping into the button at the top. Copy the project link here or invite users to join you via an invitational email below. And that's basically it. If I return to the previous menu, I will also be given the opportunity, for example, to change the layout view here at the top. You may go through that menu here and, for example, apply a date filter, select another sorting, and that's it. If I click into these three dots here, I will be given the opportunity to edit the project, to add a section, to duplicate it, to copy the link to it if you'd like to share it, to add comments, to follow its activity log, for instance, to archive it, and also to delete it. And that's basically it, guys. If you'd like to add a task, simply tap into that plus button in the bottom right corner to add a task to the project, so that the project may be, may list these tasks. You will see the given project here in the bottom left. So you may simply tap into that arrow down icon and select one of these projects to assign the task to the given project, guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.